everyone.
Today, what are you going to do?
Reading.
Reading. Okay. Are you excited?
Yay.
Okay. Sige. Read here.
The Big Red Hen.
So, what's the title of our story?
The Big Red Hen.
Okay. Next.
In a tiny red pan.
Just connect the sound.
Raspberry.
Go and eat. Go and eat. Okay, go. Then connect.
Leave.
What's the sound of this one?
Ed.
Again. Leave.
Ed.
Lived.
Leave.
Okay, again. Lived. Okay, read again. Go.
In a tiny red hen lived a big red hen.
Who lived in a tiny red pen?
Hen.
Hen. What's the color of the hen?
Red.
Red. Is it small?
Big.
It's big. Next.
Hair.
Good.
Hair.
Again, Ellie, do you remember the sound of A and E?
A.
A. Very good.
A.
Oh, connect.
A.
On first.
M.
What's the sound of M?
M.
Okay, connect ha. Go. Name. Name. What's the word?
Name.
Again. Read again. Her. Go.
Her name. With what?
Connect. You can do it. Just connect the sound. Good. What's the word? Was. Go. Her name.
Her name was Jen.
Very good, Jen. Oh, it's good, teacher Jen. What's the name of the hen?
Jen.
Jen. So, is it a boy or a girl? What is a hen? A girl chicken or?
Girl chicken.
What's the name of the boy chicken?
Rooster.
Rooster. Very good. Next. Continue. So the name of the hen is Jen. Go.
Jen. Jen.
Okay. Continue.
Jen. With
Connect.
what is
What's the word? Was. Jen was. It's all. All. Do you remember the sound of A and Y? It's long. A. Okay. What's the sound of A and Y? A. All. Connect the sound. All. Very good. What's the word? All.
Always.
Always. Jen was always. It's busy. Okay.
Busy.
Jen was always busy. Continue. In
her pen.
Okay. So Jen was always busy in her pen. Okay. Why is it that Jen is always busy? Let's find out. Go. Do you remember what's the sound of S and H? S and H reads as?
Soft.
Huh? Ikaw. So, it's like you're on. Okay, what's the sound of S and H? Okay, connect.
She.
Oh, she.
She.
Oh, it's like blurry.